Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin today with the feet shoulder width apart, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Moving nice and slow, feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. It's like you're resting on a wave in the ocean. One more time, the tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, fingertips point up, coming up the center line. Then one hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind as you gently turn. Turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead. The hands spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming all the way up and over. Fingertips point down, coming down the center and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals, softening down towards the earth. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the downward spirals. Then the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. The hands float up the center line and drift out to the sides. The fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? So we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then from here, the palms face towards the body, and then very gently turn towards one side, the palms face away. Coming back to center, turn the other way. The wise owl looks behind. Coming back to center, turning from your waist, torso, shoulders, and then the head. And then coming back to center, one more time, the wise owl looks behind. Gentle rotation. And then from here, the arms reverse direction, circle in front, and hug the tree. From here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee, and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in, breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Circle the arms around again, spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time. Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle the arms all the way around in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, softening down. All right, this time we'll step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, then reverse direction. Top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, brush, knee, and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, palms face up. The hands draw in, circle the arms out and around. The backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Circle it around again. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Almost like you're moving through the water. One more time. Gather your cubs, bring them on home. Step the front foot back in, circle the arms around in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. And then cross the wrists right in front of the heart, shift all your weight over to one side and step in. And then step out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time, cross the wrists, and you can lift your leg, pointing your knee to the corner, coming back down. This time you can kick your heel either straight out or towards the earth, or anywhere in between. And then finally, the arms can open as you kick the heel. The heel kick. Kicking straight out towards the corner or down towards the earth or anywhere in between. Just meeting yourself where you're at. It's okay to wobble. One more time on this side, the heel kick. And then from here, the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. Then step the other foot in, cross the wrists right in front of the heart. Step out to the side, the hands brush out to the sides as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing your knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel, either straight out or towards the earth, or anywhere in between. And then finally, the arms can open as you kick the heel kick. And once again, you can kick straight down towards the earth or to the corner, just letting go of judgment the best you can. One more time, the heel kick. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides, step one foot in again. This time the arms float right out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And once again, you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. And then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down. Other side, the crane, with just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like. Then the arms can float up and over. Stepping down. This time reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. Then the bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then pushes forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in, press forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. Other side. All right, one more time, repulse monkey, creating focus and clarity. This time, both hands drift over to the side. The hands float down, they brush out to the corner. They circle all the way around and then out to the other corner, making a figure eight right in front of the body. Gentle rotation. We call this polishing the table, as if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. One more time, polishing the table. And the arms float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms float all the way up overhead, reaching up towards the sky. Then the hands begin to drift down towards one side and then towards the other, like we're going down the mountain trail. And then when you get to the base of the mountain, we'll gather the energy from the earth, bring it right up to the mountain peak, and then drift down the other way, descending the mountain. Taking your time, feeling the sensations. And then this time, The hands float up to shoulder height, right off to the side. And then switching sides. From here, the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave. The chin circles. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time. On this side, chin circles. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon. And then down, floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. Like your hands are making nice gentle brush strokes. One more time. This time the arms float up and over, the chin circles, making a big wave, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, creating freedom of movement. One more time, the chin circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. And then shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open. The front knee bends. The front knee straightens as you cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. The arms float to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, front knee bends, the arms open. We call this the butterfly. So keeping the spine nice and long, you don't have to go very low. Crossing the wrists, come forward and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings, cross the wrists and open. This time step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then the front knee straightens as you shift back, cross the wrists, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open. The butterfly, keeping the spine nice and long, hinging from the hips. Once again, you don't have to go very low, just being kind to yourself. The arms open. One more time, the butterfly, take a bow, flutter the wings, cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front, and soften. From here, the arms open, the arms float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart. creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, taking a moment just to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with our poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Releasing Fear. Feeling calm and full of cheer, getting more peaceful every year. With every laugh and every tear, embracing life, releasing fear. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.